Good morning, students. Hope you will be fine and enjoying your good health. This is your history lesson. Students, as you know that we are going to revise chapter 2 question answers, and in previous lesson we have done a revision of question number 1 to question number 4. In today's lesson we will revise question number 5 to question number 7. So we start our lesson. Question number 5. Why do you think was writing important for ancient civilizations? Students, you know very well that writing expressions are very important to express our thought and feelings, to communicate with each other. Same is the case with ancient civilizations. They gave much importance to writing patterns, and they introduced different patterns and writing scripts. Now, what is the answer of this question? The ancient Egyptians believed that it was important to record and communicate information about religion and government. The ancient Egyptians believed that it was important to record and communicate information about religion and government. Thus, they invented written scripts that could be used to record this information. The most famous of all ancient Egyptian scripts is hieroglyphic. Question number 6. Why and how did the Egyptians mummify their dead? Students, the Egyptians believed in a life after death and prepared for it physically as well as spiritually. Pyramids, which are counted as one of the 7 wonders of the world, are the huge tombs built by pharaohs for themselves. And the Egyptians used the art of mummification to bury and wrapped up in cloth bandages to preserve, including grains and honey, which they might need in the afterlife. They also made models of objects of everyday life to be buried with them, such as toys, clothing, and jewelry. So, students, what is the answer of this question? The answer is the Egyptians believed in a life after death. The Egyptians used the art of mummification to bury their dead. The bodies were carefully wrapped up in the cloth bandages to preserve them. Question number 7. What was the contribution of ancient Egyptians to numbers and counting? And the answer is the Egyptians invented the decimal system of counting. Number 1, the Egyptians invented the decimal system of counting. They used 7 different symbols. In ancient Egypt, mathematics was used for measuring time, straight lines, calculating areas of land, counting money, working out taxes. The Egyptians figured out the numbers of days in the year with their calendar. So, students, this is your lesson for today. I hope you have understood from this lesson a lot. Thank you for listening. Take care. Allah Hafiz.